Welcome back to our series on AI-driven trading. In Part 1, we explored how AI is revolutionizing trading signals, strategies, and execution. In Part 2, we delved into the critical role of AI in risk management and adaptability, highlighting tools like Upstox Pro, MetaTrader 4/5, and TradeStation. Now, in Part 3, we'll shift our focus to the ethical and regulatory challenges surrounding AI in trading. As AI continues to reshape the financial markets, it's essential to address these issues to ensure a fair, transparent, and secure trading environment. Let's dive in. The ethical dilemmas of AI in trading. AI has brought unprecedented efficiency and accuracy to trading, but it has also introduced a host of ethical concerns. These dilemmas stem from the inherent complexity of AI systems, their decision-making processes, and their potential impact on market fairness and individual traders. Below, we'll explore some of the most pressing ethical issues in AI-driven trading. 1. Transparency and explainability. One of the most significant ethical challenges in AI trading is the black box problem. Many AI algorithms, particularly those based on deep learning, operate in ways that are difficult to interpret, even for their developers. This lack of transparency raises concerns about accountability. If an AI system makes a flawed decision that results in significant financial losses, who is responsible? The trader, the developer, or the platform? For example, in 2010, the flash crash saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average drop nearly 1,000 points in minutes, partly due to algorithmic trading. While this event predated the widespread use of AI, it highlights the risks of opaque systems. Today, regulators and traders alike are calling for greater explainability in AI models to ensure that their decisions can be understood and audited. 2. Bias in AI models. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the training data contains biases, whether due to historical market trends, human prejudices, or flawed data collection, the AI may perpetuate or even amplify these biases. For instance, an AI model trained on data from a predominantly bullish market might struggle to perform well in a bearish environment, leading to poor decision-making. Bias can also manifest in more subtle ways. For example, if an AI system prioritizes trades from large institutional investors over retail traders, it could exacerbate market inequality. Addressing bias in AI models is crucial to ensuring fair and equitable trading opportunities for all participants. 3. Market manipulation. The speed and efficiency of AI systems make them powerful tools for legitimate trading, but they can also be exploited for unethical purposes. For example, spoofing and layering are manipulative practices where traders place fake orders to create the illusion of market demand or supply, tricking others into making unfavorable trades. While these practices are illegal, the use of AI makes them harder to detect and prevent. Moreover, AI-driven high-frequency trading, HFT, can create an uneven playing field where institutional traders with access to advanced AI tools gain an unfair advantage over retail traders. This raises questions about market fairness and the need for stricter regulations to level the playing field. 4. Privacy concerns. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data, including personal and financial information, to make accurate predictions. This raises significant privacy concerns, particularly when sensitive data is collected without users' consent or used for purposes beyond its original intent. For example, if a trading platform uses AI to analyze users' transaction histories, how can it ensure that this data is not misused or exposed to unauthorized parties? The rise of decentralized finance (DeFi) platforms, which often operate outside traditional regulatory frameworks, has further complicated these privacy issues. As AI becomes more integrated into trading, it's essential to establish robust data protection measures to safeguard users' privacy. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI-driven trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of finance. And if you have any thoughts or experiences with ethical AI in trading, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading